Hi everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. Welcome to this effective guide on AWS S3. A simple and effective guide. So let's start by imagining that you have a huge locker where you can store unlimited images, different type of files, unlimited objects, basically unlimited images, unlimited photos, unlimited videos, unlimited files, and you never have to worry about running out of space. That is what AWS S3 is. AWS S3 is a massive, highly scalable storage solution on the cloud. But the question comes that how does it work, and how does it work compared to Azure Blob Storage, other cloud services like Azure Blob Storage, which is from Azure obviously, and Google Cloud Storage. How does it compare to these services, which are the other cloud services, right? So stick around because I'm going to break it all down in simple terms. You will be able to understand it all. Amazon S3, which stand for Simple Storage Service S3, is offered by AWS, as we already gone through, for storage purposes, right? In simple words, it allows you to store any amount of data on its cloud from anywhere in the world. Now, the cool part is here in cloud, S3 is designed for durability. So where were I? So I was telling that S3 is designed for durability. By durability, you know your data is safe. It's not going to be lost. So how does Amazon does it? They have multiple copies of your data in different physical locations, so that even if one server where your data is fails, data can be retrieved from other servers, right? This is how they make your data practically very durable and safe. Now it's like having your photos, right? Your photos, your important memories on different hardwares, on different locations, so that even if you lost one, you have other hardware to retrieve your data from. But here you don't have to manage anything, any hardware or anything. All this is done by AWS, right? And their team. Think of S3 as a giant online thing where you have, where you actually have, where you can have unlimited shelves, right? And in those different shelves you can have different boxes of files or data. Now these shelves are nothing but bucket in AWS S3 language, and these boxes of files are your files, photos, videos. These are objects basically. Now each of these object has a unique key, just like a label on the box, right? With this unique key you can use these files into different AWS services, right? You can do that. Let's make a quick comparison with Google and Azure, because right, Microsoft's Azure, because we all know, like I already discussed, AWS S3 isn't just the only storage service available out there. There are many different, right? Let's compare it with them also. Now if you're using Azure, Microsoft Azure, so you would be working with Azure Blob Storage, which serve the similar purpose, but obviously it's deeply integrated with Azure Microsoft environment, right? Now if you are like Google Cloud, so there you will get Google Cloud Storage, which is a high speed thing, and it provide a lot of AI driven features as well in over Google. So the question come, which one is better? So it all depends on your use case. So S3 is wonderful. It's great if you are already on AWS environment and need a storage solution which is very durable and scalable. If you are using Microsoft services like Azure Foundation or Power BI, Azure Functions or Power BI, in that case, Azure Blob Storage would be your ideal choice. Now for high speed analytics and AI powered data analysis, there you go. Google Cloud Storage is your go-to service. At the end of the day, all of these services are very reliable. But again, the use case, what kind of use case you have, accordingly you have to pick one of these cloud storage service. Now, many people get confused between object storage and hierarchical namespace storage, which is Azure ADLS, right? Now, the basic why people get confused, because they say like object storage, even that, even inside it, I can make different bucket, folders. Then how is it different? Now, try to understand the folder you are making. It's just name. There's no folder. It's take it as its name. There's no folder and subfolder in object storage. It's flat file saving system, and all, those are just name and a way to display it. Whereas in hierarchical namespace system like ADLS, there are actual folder and subfolder. That is a major difference. You have to understand it. Hope this makes sense. If you have any doubt, you have the comment box below. Fill it with your questions. Thank you so much.